Hello everyone, welcome to the world of electrical design with capital ELECTRA X. I am Bhivandeep Singh, your enthusiastic guide on this electrifying journey. As the channel technical manager here at Excel Design Technologies Private Limited, I am excited to embark on this journey with you all. Now let's dive into our discussion. Capital ELECTRA X is a groundbreaking solution from Siemens. It is the key to unlocking unparalleled efficiency and precision in your electrical design endeavors. Let's take a quick look at what lies ahead in our agenda. First, we will explore the essence of capital electrics, its features, functionalities, and its impact on electrical design. Then we will delve into the benefits of a cloud-native approach, revealing how it can enhance your productivity. Following that, we will jump into demonstrations of capital electrics, showcasing its advanced features for precise and efficient design. Towards the end, we will summarize the key highlights of capital electrics and discuss why it's the ultimate solution for your electrical design needs. Lastly, we will share inspiring success stories demonstrating how organizations have used Capital Electrics to innovate and achieve remarkable results. Capital Electrics is the ultimate cloud-native CAD software. It can seamlessly edit electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and P&ID drawings in a single platform, revolutionizing your design workflow with unmatched efficiency and precision. Now, let's explore the transformative benefits of adopting a cloud-native approach. First is the seamless experience with zero hassle. Say goodbye to downloads, installations, updates, and downtime. With Capital Electrics on the cloud, enjoy a hassle-free experience with automated processes, saving time and eliminating the need for an IT department. Next, automatic versioning for peace of mind. Never lose track of changes again. Built-in automatic versioning ensures you know who changed what and when, with the ability to roll back and compare versions effortlessly. Third, unparalleled accessibility. Access your designs from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Whether you are at the site, in the office, or enjoying a cup of coffee at a cafe, stay connected and access the latest drawings without droning in emails and versions. Fourth is the fortified security measures. Rest is in knowing your data is secure. With multi-factor authentication and separate secured services, Capital Electronics prioritizes your data's protection, giving you peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Fifth, effortless asset sharing. Automatically share circuits, symbols, components, and drawings with your entire team. No server setup required. Capital Electronics facilitates seamless collaboration, enhancing teamwork and productivity. The last, real-time collaboration. Break down geographical barriers with real-time concurrent editing. Share, edit, and comment on drawings collaboratively with anyone, anywhere, ensuring that your team stays synchronized and productive. Now let's experience the top-level flow seamlessly. From single-line diagram to panel layout and detailed schematic, Capital Electronics can handle all. Let's firstly see the single-line representation in Capital Electronics. In Capital Electronics, user can easily create single-line diagrams using the intuitive interface. Simply drag and drop symbols from the extensive Electronics symbol library onto the canvas to build your diagram with ease. But that's not all. Capital Electronics allows users to create stencils of single-line symbols, enabling you to reuse them in your diagrams as many times as needed. Navigating between detailed drawings and single-line diagrams has never been easier. With just one click, users can seamlessly transition between views, thanks to hyperlinks embedded within Capital Electronics. Now, let's delve deeper into the detailed schematic design, uncovering every facet to ensure a thorough understanding and precise execution of your electrical systems. Let's have a look into the detailed design schematic, examining four critical features: easy wiring, automation, data reuse, and cross-referencing to optimize your understanding and efficiency in electrical system design. Let's explore easy wiring. Capital Electronics is extremely easy to use. No training and manuals required. Everything is drag and drop. For example, you can drop a symbol and Capital Electronics will automatically wire your circuits. You can modify a symbol and drop it on your own custom stencil to be reused by the entire team without much work. Even circuits can be dropped on your own stencil so that the entire company can reuse them easily. Wires are super smart in Capital Electronics. When a wire is connected to another, they will automatically assume the name of the connected wire. When the name is modified, changes will automatically be propagated to all connected wires, even over wire links over multiple pages. This ensures all your wires with the same potential always have the same name. When you connect a wire to another, connection dots are automatically shown. When you detach a wire, the connection dots are automatically hidden. Capital Electra X is also smart enough to hide connection dots when you connect wires at ends. It used to be if you place a symbol on your electrical drawing, you will also need to place wires either one by one or in group. This process is time consuming and distracts the engineer from focusing on safety and design. With capital letter X auto wiring, you simply have to place a symbol next to another and capital letter X will automatically wire your symbol. This results in far faster circuit completion with much less errors. Auto wiring works for both horizontal and vertical drawings, including for hydraulic and pneumatic circuits. Change is constant in electrical engineering, and when you want to insert a symbol into your circuit, capital Electro-X automatically splits your wires and rename them accordingly. For example, we have forgotten to insert a thermal overload into a circuit, and when we drop a thermal overload onto a circuit, capital Electro-X automatically splits the wires and rename them accordingly, saving your all the hassle of rewiring. Wire splitting also works on control circuits, power circuits, pneumatic, hydraulic, and P&ID circuits. In capital Electra X, wire links allow you to extend a wire from one location to another or to another page. Place a from wire link and then to wire link. Double click to pair them. Capital Electra X will then automatically show you their location to help identify by exactly the link you want it to pair. Once paired, these wire links operate like normal wires, and if you modify a wire name, the changes will propagate over the wire links even over multiple pages. Next, let's explore the second feature in detail, automation of wiring, streamlining your design process and enhancing efficiency. In capital electronics, you can easily number your symbols and wires with intelligent numbering. When you duplicate symbols, it will intelligently rename from R1 to R2. If you duplicate a wire, it will be renamed sequentially from 1 to 2. You can modify a symbol and capital electronics will reuse the modified name and automatically number your symbols from C1 to C2. Depending on where you duplicate from, capital letter X will reuse symbols and wire names intelligently so there is no need for setup or configuration. You can also save a modified symbol to your own stencil so that they can be reused without ever needing to modify them again. Intelligent numbering works for both wires and symbols in capital letter X. In capital letter X, it is extremely easy to use page prefixes as your numbering system. To enable page prefix, click on the File, Preferences, Capital Letter X options and set page prefix for symbols and wires to true. Once completed, simply drop symbols and wires and capital letter X will automatically append page prefixes to your symbols and wires. In this example, we are going to drop the coil on page 4 and then another coil on page 5. Then we will go back to page 4 and insert a normally open contact for the coil in page 5. Therefore, our reference will be 5R1. If we insert a page at page 4, we can see that capital letter X has automatically updated the contact from 5R1 to 6R1. This is because our relay, which is originally at page 5, is now in page 6. In capital letter X, you can assign a component to your symbols at any time, and once assigned, you can then generate a bills of materials. If you duplicate a symbol with the component, the new symbol will automatically inherit the assigned component without the need for you to assign them over and over again. You can also save symbols onto your own stencil, and every time you drop the symbol, they will automatically have components assigned to them without you doing a thing. Pin sets are automatically assigned in capital letter X, saving you time so you can have a faster circuit design. For example, if you have a two-pole relay, when you place the second normally open contact, capital letter X will automatically assign the contact to the second pin set. If you assign a contactor to the same reference, capital letter X will show you pin sets in red to indicate a problem. All these are designed to help you create accurate electrical circuit easier and faster. Smart connectors in capital electronics can be used to generate any amount of pins. Drag and drop a smart connector onto your drawing, right click and set it to vertical. Then right click and set connector. In this case, we want to generate a connector with 16 pins, so we change the number of points to 16 and click generate. On the output side. We change the starting point to be 1 and click generate again. When we click OK, Capital Electra X will automatically generate a smart connector with 16 input and 16 output points, so you can use or save onto your own stencil. Using and generating terminals as a snap in Capital Electra X. Terminals will be shown in red if not connected on a wire and will turn black when placed on a wire. Once you have completed your schematic, drop the terminal list symbol onto your drawing. Right click to generate a terminal listing. Then drop one or more terminal block symbol and encapsulate your terminals. Right click on the terminal block to regenerate terminal numbering. Once generated, your terminal numbering will be automatically inserted into terminal symbols even over multiple pages. If you modify your wires, Capital Electra X will automatically update your terminal wiring so that your schematic remains accurate without you doing a thing. Moving forward, let's delve into the third feature in details, data reuse. Maximizing efficiency by leveraging existing information across your designs. When you are designing electrical circuits, chances are you will be duplicating many of them. In Capital Electra X, it is extremely easy to duplicate and reuse circuits. Select the circuit you want to duplicate, press the Control key, and then drag and drop to your required location. Notice that Capital Electra X will automatically rename all your symbols and wires correctly, resulting in huge time savings and reduced error. The automatic rename will continue to work irrespective of how many times you duplicate. In addition, automatic rename works for all circuits including power and control circuits. In Capital Electra X, you can easily save your normally used circuits into a stencil to be reused and never have to redraw them again. Simply select a circuit and drop them into your own stencil and that's it. Once saved, you can drag and drop these circuits onto your drawings and they will be automatically renamed. If you save these circuits onto a team stencil, they will automatically be accessible to the entire team, saving a ton of time and helping to enforce company-wide standards. Continuing our exploration, let's delve into the final feature in detail, cross-referencing, ensuring accuracy and coherence throughout your electrical design process. When drawing electrical circuits, you may need to keep track of your symbols and know exactly where they are. With the real-time reference window in Capital Electra X, you can easily locate and view all your symbols and their references in a central location. When you drop a symbol onto your drawing, the reference window will automatically show your symbol in its location. Even when you delete a symbol, the reference window will automatically reflect the changes in real time. You can also easily locate a symbol just by clicking on it reference, and Capital Electra X will automatically navigate to the selected symbol even over multiple pages. This allows for faster navigation and cross-checking so that you can focus more on circuit design instead of plotting. It's really easy to know exactly where all your symbols and wires are in Capital Electra X, even if you have hundreds of pages of circuits. Real-time cross-reference in Capital Electra X will show you which page the symbol is on together with their location in just a simple click. The same applies also to wires, so you can edit and create circuits quickly and efficiently. In Capital Electra X, it is very easy to know where your symbols are even over multiple pages. Just drop the auto location symbol on your drawing and right click to select symbol reference. Once set, the auto location symbol will automatically monitor your symbols and report their locations in real time. If you move a symbol, you will be able to see exactly where they are located. If you add a symbol, the auto location will automatically add its cross reference. If you delete a symbol, the cross reference will automatically delete it from the auto location. The auto location symbol greatly improves the readability and accuracy of your circuit design, and it's critical in reducing the amount of time you spend debugging your system at site. In Capital Electronics, you can use wire links and wire buses to extend wires from one location to another or to another page. Wire links and wire buses are intelligent as they can automatically identify the location of the target wire. All you need to do is connect them to your wires and double click to pair them. Once paired, they will automatically display the wire name and location of the target link they are to. Double-click on the paired wires to jump to the target link. If you have multiple wires to link to another page or to the same target, you may use the wire bus to avoid assigning wire links to each wire over and over again. For more options, you may right-click on the wire bus to change its orientation or select Set Wire Bus to adjust the spacing between the wires and the number of wires as for your requirements. Then double-click to pair them. Next, let's experience the seamless generation of panel layers in Capital ELECTRA X, ensuring optimal organization and functionality for your electrical systems. In Capital ELECTRA X, it is extremely easy to generate accurate and beautiful panel layouts with just a few clicks. Click on the Generate Layout icon on the toolbar and select a panel or subpanel with the component you want to generate. Browse through the references to ensure your symbols are assigned the proper components. The Select button lets you replace the current components while the Add button lets you add more components to the symbol. In addition, you may also save current components into your database or save it as a new component so that you can reuse the components for another project. If your component has a layout, you can view the layout shape in the preview window or choose another design with the Select button. Use the Generate button to generate layout for the current component or use the Generate All button to generate layout for the entire drawing. Capital ELECTRA X will then automatically scan your drawing and generate layout based on your electrical schematics with real-world dimensions. If you have added or deleted symbols in your schematics, these changes will automatically be reflected when you generate the layout again. All you have to do is arrange your layers according to your requirements, and Capital ELECTRA X will handle the rest. In Capital ELECTRA X, you can easily snap symbols on the rail to complete your panel layout quickly. Just drag and drop your layout symbols on the rail and they will automatically arrange just like real world components. Once snapped on the rail, you can easily move the rails and all your layout symbols will follow. This lets you easily arrange your symbols and complete your layout drawings quickly. If you drag symbol off the rail, Capital Letter X will automatically rearrange your symbols. Alternatively, you can also drag a symbol in between other symbols and Capital Letter X will understand that you wanted to insert a symbol. Next, let's discover the power of report generation in Capital Letter X. Reports can be easily generated at any time with just a single click in Capital Letter X. Just drag and drop a report onto your drawing and resize to fit your requirements. Then right-click and select the fields you require and click OK. Your report will be automatically generated and will span multiple reports so you may place them over multiple pages. In Capital Letter X, you can assign a component to your symbol, save it into your own stencil, and never have to assign it again. When you drop these symbols onto your drawing, the components will automatically reflect it correctly in your bills of materials. Alternatively, you can also assign components upon completion of your circuit design using the Manage Component dialog and be able to assign different sizing, rating, and model numbers. In addition, you can also assign multiple components to a single symbol. For example, assigning relay bases and clips to your relay symbol to ensure your bills of materials accurately reports all your components in your drawings. Exporting material reference report and importing it back into Capital Letter X allows batching editing of component information. This allows you to edit, add, or delete component information from the symbol much faster, and you may easily import this information back into the drawing with just a click of a button. To do this, click on the menu Export Report, Material Reference Report and click OK. The report will be downloaded in TSV or CSV file format. In Microsoft Excel or in your preferred application, add in rows of component by following the format in the report. Delete or modify component information is required, then save the report. Back in Capital Letter X, click on Menu Import Reports, Material Reference Report and select your file. After your file has been uploaded, click Close. Now, to generate your material reference report, drag and drop the material reference report symbol from the report stencil, right-click and select Generate Report. Choose the fields you require and click OK to generate your report. Will automatically reflect the change. Coming to symbols and library management in Capital Electra X, user can organize, customize, and access a vast array of symbols to streamline their electrical design process effortlessly. In Capital Electra X, we have a variety of title blocks ready for your users in multiple formats and page sizes. To use them, simply drop them onto your page and Capital Electra X will do the rest. Creating a title block by yourself is also super easy. Just insert your logo and information, then use Capital Electra X title block shapes by dropping them onto your drawing. Once completed, click on Create Title Block and your title block can now be dropped onto your drawings. In Capital Letter X, you can export your component database to your favorite spreadsheet to modify or insert components. This makes it very easy for you to obtain specifications from manufacturers to insert into your electrical circuits. After modification, you can then import the data back into Capital Letter X. In addition, you can also edit these components directly in Capital Letter X, and once you save these information, the component database will be automatically shared with the entire team. The work done by one member can be reused by everyone. Component information is then organized by categories. For example, when selecting components for relay symbols, you will be presented with components from the relay category. Categories simplify component selection and help you work faster and easier, but still offer the ability to select a component outside a category using search functions. Creating your own symbols in Capital Letter X is super easy. Just draw the graphics, group them together, and add connection points by pressing the Control key and clicking on the symbol. Once completed, select your symbol and then click on Create Symbol on the Capital Letter X toolbar. Give your symbol a reference in a description and then click OK. Your symbol is now ready for usage and you can drag and drop them onto your drawing. Customizing a symbol is even easier in Capital Letter X. Simply drop a symbol onto your drawing and draw graphics and text on top. Then select them all and click on Create Symbol on the Capital Letter X toolbar. Click OK and you are done. Your symbol is now ready to be used on your drawings. Symbols in capital letter X are intelligent and can assume multiple forms. A single symbol can be transformed into multiple symbols with just a simple right click, resulting in less symbols that can do more. All symbols in capital letter X are automatically inserted with intelligence and data to ensure they behave consistently, including the ability to be displayed horizontally or vertically. This ensures you can make custom symbol easily, resulting in much faster design cycle throughout your entire company. In capital letter X, you can use a programmable logic controller or PLC symbol to generate input, output, or any analog module from any manufacturer. Drag and drop a single-sided or double-sided PLC symbol onto your drawing, then right-click and select Set PLC module. In this case, we are going to generate 8 output points, so we set the number of points to 8 and click Generate. Then we will need to move the 0 VDC to the bottom manually. On the input column, we will need to modify our initial point as the x01 and then move the common point to the bottom manually. Notice that you can manually enter the PLC module by typing and modifying any other PLC points as required. When completed, click on OK and Capital Electra X will automatically generate your PLC module. Right-click on the PLC symbol and select Rotate Label Orientation for easier readability and you are done. If more customization is required, right-click on the symbol and choose to hide pilot light. Then place manufacturer logo or any other text as deemed fit onto the symbol. Select the PLC symbol and any other additional graphic and click on Create Symbol on the Capital Electra X toolbar, then click OK. Your custom PLC symbol will now be available for your entire team and you can simply drag and drop them onto your drawing. Let's discover how Capital Electra X drives productivity improvement with its advanced features and streamlined workflow, empowering users to accomplish more in less time and achieve unparalleled efficiency in electrical design. In Capital Letter X, you can create teams and add your colleagues as team members. All drawings created in the team will then be automatically shared with team members for easy collaboration. You may also customize the access for each member in the team. In addition, each folder or drawing can also have customizable permissions and can be shared individually with customers, vendors, or any stakeholders. For example, vendors can have view permission or customers can have commenter permission. This ensures that all your stakeholders have access to the latest information without the need to send multiple emails with different file versions. For years, engineers have relied on traditional method for drafting electrical schematics and collaborating with others manually. While this approach may have worked in the past, it comes with a myriad of risks that can lead to costly mistakes such as sending the wrong drawings, a slower design process, and losing valuable data due to human error, which can result in delayed deadlines and additional costs to reproduce the work. Now, with our fully cloud-native software, Capital Electra X offers real-time cloud collaboration for engineers around the globe. With the help of team-based dashboard, easy accessibility to drawings, instant update, and syncing of the modification, built-in chat box, version control, and more. You can now achieve an optimized and streamlined CAD design workflow while saving cost and time and ensuring the success of your project. Capital Electra X is designed to facilitate a streamlined and productive workflow, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of design tasks while saving engineers valuable time and resources. Even the most complex circuit is a breeze to create with our cloud-native electrical CAD, robust schematic automation tools, and intuitive interface. There are a wide range of automation features available to accelerate your workflow, such as our powerful panel layout automation feature. With just a single click, a panel layout is generated based on your components. Complete with real-world dimensions, you can visualize and finalize your design quickly, saving substantial time and minimizing the chances of error. The best part is that if you need to make changes to your schematic, simply regenerate the layout and Capital Electronics will automatically synchronize between your schematics and panel layout. No more spending countless hours on manual adjustments and inconsistencies. Sign up for 30-day trial today to experience the benefits of Capital Electronics for yourself. Significantly boost your team's productivity and unlock the true potential of your circuit designs. Capital Electronics designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency. Another powerful feature of Capital Electronics is the ability to create your own plugins. Plugins are particularly useful for automating manual tasks, which saves time and eliminates repetitive product work. Let's say you have 300 terminals that require labeling, but naming them manually on a third-party editor is laborious and inefficient. It is simple to solve by creating your own plugin that will instantly export all terminal names in your drawing. Here's how. Go to Plugins tab, click the three dots menu, and select New Plugin. Then, to begin writing the script, right-click on the new untitled plugin and select Edit Script. We also have a API documentation ready where you can find more information about Capital Electronics object model. Once you finish editing, click Save. You can now use the plugin by clicking the play button and selecting a file format to export the terminal name. All of the terminal names in your drawing will be exported to the file format of your choice, ready for printing. You can easily rename or edit the plugin or share them with your team simply by selecting the Share plugin. Sign up for your free 30-day trial today. Capital Electronics, designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency. Capital Electra X stands out from the crowd as it's not just another electrical CAD software. It goes beyond conventional electrical design, offering a comprehensive suite of features that includes hydraulic, pneumatic, and P&ID drawings, providing a truly unparalleled experience for your engineering endeavors. Capital Electra X transcends the boundaries of a traditional electrical CAD software. It's a comprehensive solution that seamlessly integrates pneumatic, hydraulic, and P&ID drawings alongside electrical designs, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency. Let's recap the key points of our presentation. Capital Electra X is a Siemens user-friendly, cloud-based electrical CAD software tailored for industrial applications. Seamless experience. You don't require any training, setup, or installation. Just a secure signing, and you are ready to go. Enhanced efficiency. With smart schematic automation tools, Circuits can be created 3 to 5 times faster, streamlining your workflow. Collaborative accessibility. Access and share critical electrical CAD schematics from anywhere in the world using any device, with secure and customizable access permission. With Capital Electra X, we are not just revolutionizing electrical design, we are empowering collaboration, enhancing efficiency, and transforming the way you work. Lastly, coming to some success stories, Capital Electra X has been trusted by industrial leaders worldwide, including renowned companies such as Bosch, RR Global, Coherent, Northgrid, and many more. These are only few, but the list is endless. Before we conclude, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for joining us today. If you are eager to learn more about Capital Electra X and how it can revolutionize your electrical design workflows, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Simply visit our website to connect with our team and explore the endless possibilities that Capital Electra X has to offer.